So Marcel is about to try Acacia Koa with a Jonka of approximately 1,170 with a Bojo. I think you have it already. Big fatty. That's a big fatty. So, at 1805, Marcel did Acacia Koa with a Bojo. So Andrew's about to try Acacia Koa with a Jonka of approximately 1,170 with a Bojo.
Go 30 seconds.
Go, go, go,
25.
go, go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. 20. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. 15.
Go, go, go,
Let's
go.
go, let's go, let's
Long
go,
strokes.
Let's go. 10, 10. Let's
Keep going, go, go, go. All right, okay. I think you got it.
I notice when I get tired, my string rides up. So it's something in my form, and then it makes it harder because the string is going up. And it's like, no.
Okay, Laura.
I think it's because of tension in your wrist. So if you have tension in your wrist, the bow goes up and down.
Right, it'll ride.
Yeah.
Very nice. So, at 1810, Andrew did Acacia Koa. There we go.